I've been using both Attio and HubSpot for a while now. And in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of which one is actually better in 2025. Attio is a newer, more modern CRM that's built for small teams and startups who want flexibility without all the unnecessary complexity. It feels more like a mix of a database and a CRM. You can fully customize fields, views, and relationships between data, which is great if your workflow doesn't fit into a traditional sales pipeline. It also pulls and contact data automatically, has LinkedIn integration through a Chrome extension, and offers a clean user experience. Pricing is also fair, starting around $34 per user per month, and there's a free plan available for small teams. On the other hand, HubSpot is the more established, all-in-one CRM that comes packed with features. You get marketing automation, lead tracking, customer service tools, reporting, and a massive ecosystem of integrations. Their free tier is very generous. You can manage up to 1 million contacts. But once you start needing advanced features like workflows, analytics, or campaign management, the costs jump quickly. Their professional plans can run well over $1,000 a month, so it's more suited for mid-sized to larger businesses that have the budget and the need for deeper automation. So here's the bottom line. Go with Attio if you want a lightweight, modern CRM with a focus on customization and ease of use. It's ideal for fast-moving startups or small teams who want control without bloat. But if you're running a larger operation and need a full sales, marketing, and service suite in one place, and you're ready to invest, HubSpot is still one of the best in the game. I hope this comparison helped you make a better decision. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.